Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
Britain's Financial Services Minister John Glenn resigned in protest against Prime Minister Boris Johnson, just days before the government is due to unveil a draft law to reset a post-Brexit financial sector. Binance, one of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges by trading volume, said it would remove trading fees for many of its Bitcoin trading pairs, including USDT, USDC, EUR, and more. The dollar stood tall, holding at a 20-year peak against the euro and multi-month highs against other major peers, as higher gas prices and political uncertainty renewed recession fears and sent investors scrambling to the safe haven currency. The last session saw the euro drop 0.7% against the dollar. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair dove 2.8% in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market. The gold-dollar pair plummeted 1.9% in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an oversold market. The dollar-yen pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.2%. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The US ADP employment change will be released at 12:15 GMT. Japan's overall household spending at 23:30 GMT. Australia's trade balance at 01:30 GMT. The Dutch Consumer Price Index will be released at 04:30 GMT. Japan's current account at 23:50 GMT. Germany's industrial production at 0600 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.